Somebody asked if my family was vegan. No.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and I have always wanted to do this recipe, y'all. We are making vegan meatloaf. Let's get started. All right, get out your trusty food processor. We're gonna start off with 1 carrot. Don't judge my carrot. Don't judge it. It's okay. Half of a red bell pepper. 1 container of bella mushrooms. 3 pretty large cloves of garlic. And half an onion. Let's go ahead and chop this up. 2 tablespoons tomato paste. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. 2 cups of cooked green lentils. This is 3/4 of cup of tri-colored quinoa. 3/4 a cup of old-fashioned oats.
Just realized I didn't cook the veggies first. That's why it's not blended right.
At this point, I know y'all think I be messing up on purpose, trying to keep it real, make y'all feel comfortable about cooking. No, groceries ain't cheap. I'm just messing up. Okay, so we're back again. We got all our vegetables. Now, the one thing I did not add the last time that I'm gonna add now is some celery. I got this from a carnivore Christmas party. They thought it was being funny. They ordered wings. They was like, here's your celery, Erin.
Joke's on y'all, I needed celery for this recipe. Thank you for the free groceries.
Let's do roughly the equivalent of 1 celery stalk. So let's do 1, 2, I'm gonna put 5 of those bad boys in there. And this is gonna make it easier to season as well because it's not in a packed food processor. See, look, lessons, people, lessons. Let's go in with some parsley. Stove is on medium low, by the way. Do a 1/2 tablespoon of thyme, some salt, and some pepper. All right, I think we're ready to transfer back to the food processor. All right, let me add 2 flax eggs. Give it 1 last blend. Now, if you have a loaf pan, go ahead and use it, but mine is miniature, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my casserole dish. Because we're vegan, this is not raw meat. We can taste this before it goes in the oven to see if we need to add something. I'm gonna put a little bit more salt in there. That's good. Now for the topping, I'm gonna do 1/2 and 1/2 because I like both. I like ketchup and barbecue sauce. So we're gonna do 1/2 ketchup, and I'm gonna do the other 1/2 barbecue sauce. All right, into the oven this goes. The oven's already on 375 because the failure is in there right now because I'm still gonna eat that. And we'll see this bad boy in 1 hour. It's clean. All right, let's go ahead and take it out. Please, dear baby Jesus, let it slice. I don't know, guys, it feels a little soft to me. You know what, this is just a taste. We're not gonna worry about slicing it correctly. We just wanna know, will it fall apart? Okay. I'll let this cool for 15 minutes, so it's still smoking, but let's see how it tastes. It's good, but it's soft. I'm gonna be all the way 100. I want it to be denser. That was so funny because the other one I did, y'all, the first failure, dry.
Yeah,
She out there, bro.
oh, this is good.
Yeah, which one is that?
The barbecue sauce.
The barbecue sauce, yeah, it's fine. She loves barbecue sauce.
Let it be known, I do not like meatloaf.
Oh,
I
wow.
don't eat meatloaf.
Oh, interesting.
So this is good. I would order this and I would eat it.
I thought like I overprocessed it. I should have just cut the veggies instead of putting everything in the food processor. If I was making it again, I would just cut it. And I think it needs a little bit more salt, but I love salt. Yeah!
See, I'm not a big, you already know that.
Oh, yeah. You're like, can you take it out? I can't. It's in there. It's in there.
Gary, this is really good though.
Yay! Alright guys, it is the next day, and although my friend said the lentil loaf was good, I was not satisfied. So I want to try it again using Beyond Meat patties. I'm gonna keep everything the same, just gonna add this instead of the lentils. Let's get started. If you guys notice, I didn't process the veggies as fine this time. I think that's why it was so soft for the other batch, so I made them way thicker this go around. So I'm trying a different technique. Instead of putting it back in the food processor, like I said, I don't want to over blend anything. So the quinoa and the oats will be added in by hand instead of with the food processor. Yeah, Marley wanted to say hi? No? Okay. I went ahead and preheated the oven when I put in the quinoa and the oatmeal. That looks so weird. All right, still not quite ready, but I'm gonna go ahead and add it. All right, we are ready to transfer to our casserole dish. Now, unfortunately, even though this is still vegan, I'm not about to try this with the raw plant meat in there. So we're just gonna hope it's enough salt and pepper on this one. All right, just like yesterday, half ketchup, half barbecue sauce. My friend loves barbecue sauce, so she took the one from yesterday. So we're using Sweet Baby Ray's on this side. All right, into the oven it goes for 45 minutes to 1 hour. All right, guys, while the meatloaf is cooking and baby Marley is asleep, I want to answer the questions that I promised you guys I would answer from my last video, the hot chocolate one. You should go watch that if you haven't already, because
Baby, it's cold outside.
a lot of you guys asked to hear my vegan story. I don't know if I need to do a separate video for that per se, but in short, I went for health, not for skinny health, but just for the health of myself, knowing I wasn't eating hormones or death. Does that make any sense? Like, to me, I'm eating unnecessary death to feed myself. I don't have to do that. So why would I let animals suffer if I can feed myself real good on a vegan diet? On the dairy part of it, it just was making me sick. Like, dairy just made me sick. Why was I still forcing myself to be a baby cow? And I'm not. That's why it's very easy for me to turn down meat. It's not a diet for me, it's a disgust, okay? It's nasty. Where do I get my vegan products from? So, everywhere, okay? Everywhere. I go to Kroger a lot. I know you guys see that on my foods. I definitely go to Sprouts. I go to Whole Foods when I have extra money to go to Whole Foods. Oh, and the farmer's market. Sorry, farmers. Definitely the farmer's market. Why did I decide to do a vegan YouTube channel? Because people kept saying, what do you eat as a vegan? Like, you gonna have just salad, you gonna waste away. I ain't lost a pound. So I did a vegan YouTube channel to show omnivores and other vegans that veganism doesn't have to be boring. There are some vegans who just be like, well, you know, I'm not gonna go back to meat, but I just eat kale and strawberries every day. Don't do that. Somebody asked, what did I eat when I crave meat? Sure, I still eat fake meat. So if I crave meat, I still eat fake meat. If I definitely want, you know, pulled pork or bacon, I have the coconut bacon I make, and I have the, you know, jackfruit every time. But if I just want a hamburger, I want something meaty, I crave chicken wings all the time. All the time. So I can make cauliflower wings or like get some fake chicken nuggets and put some sauce on. I just need something meaty. I was about to say in my mouth, but that wasn't gonna be right. Okay, last one, guys. Somebody said, do I have any weight loss tips? Yes and no. I did not lose any weight when I went vegan because I was on a mission to prove that I could still eat the world. But before I was vegan and I was at my smallest, I was on like a keto-ish diet, so low carb. So it does work. Of course, keto is mainly everything that's against veganism, but there are vegan keto plans if you really want to lose weight. The high carb life does not work for me. I do eat low carb when I'm not filming for you guys. It's just hard to balance because I'm gonna eat what I cook too. So I'm learning that as well, that I don't have to eat necessarily what I cook. I can give it to family and friends who are open to vegan food. I don't have to have it. But yeah, my suggestion would just be low carb vegan. It's hashtags on Instagram, Pinterest. You're good to go. All right, guys, we're back. I turned the oven off at 45 minutes, but I let it still cook on residual heat because when I put my fork in there, I did have some meat come on it. So it's been cooling out of the oven now for about an hour. So let's see if this bad boy will cut. You ready? Okay. Okay. There's a close-up of that. Ooh, it's already falling. We are ready to taste. I'm ready. Marley's ready. You okay? All right. Well, she's gonna do the ketchup one first. Like I was saying, yesterday it actually did get better after I let it sit. By the time my friend came to taste, which y'all saw, it had been about 2 hours and it had firmed up. So I don't know. But anyway, here, let me get a taste. I'm feeding you. Okay. This is so good. It's so good. All right, I'm sorry to say, I gotta make mine with the mock meat. I'm sorry. All right, Mel could not make it back to taste the second round, but Sydney tasted the lentil, and now she's gonna taste the Beyond Meat version.
That's good, Aaron.
That tastes more like meatloaf. Like the other one tasted like a veggie loaf, which wasn't bad, but
the other one tasted more veggie. This, especially with the sauce on it, it reminds me of Stouffer's. I love Stouffer's. So is that bad?
I don't know if I've had it. I don't know.
To me, it tastes like, it reminds, just the sauce on it gives me that, but it's really good.
Sweet Baby Ray's gang gang. That's what that is.
I love Sweet Baby Ray. But this one, the Beyond Meat, and is there mushroom in here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. The Beyond Meat and the mushroom make it more of a meatloaf texture. Yeah, that's good, Aaron.
So my vote is that one. Again, the other one was not bad. It's just more if you want a veggie loaf. If you want the taste of mock meatloaf, then you gotta go with the Beyond Meat.
I vote for this one.
I do too. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.